We are at a critical level now to decide whether this is the bottom for Bitcoin or we fall far lower, and I'll talk to you about those levels. But right now, as you can see, Bitcoin is at this critical level, and the reason why it's critical, it's a CME level, a futures gap, and it was created back in April of this year. That level's between $91,450 and approximately $93,000, and currently at time of recording, Bitcoin's at about $92,630. You can see on the local liquidity map here for Bitcoin, look at the yellow line here at 92,000. It's symbolizing that there's a lot of local liquidity beneath us. But as you zoom out on the time frame, this is the 12-hour. For example, if we go into the 3-day liquidity chart, you can see that all the liquidity is now forming to the upside for Bitcoin, up at 97,000, up to 97,500. If you go out onto the weekly, and these liquidity zones, by the way, guys, are levels that price action gravitates to. Think of them a little bit like magnets, and all the liquidity is above us. We've taken out all this liquidity below us. I mean, if you go out even further, just to show you, because it depends what time frame you're trading, right? This is the monthly. You can see how much liquidity in the Bitcoin chart there is above us, and this is ultimately what price will want to find. So the Bitcoin price right now is filling the CME gap. It might come down as low as, say, around 90k. In fact, to get some key levels when you're not watching my videos, yes, you can join the group, but also use this really handy AI tool. I've talked about it before. It's CoinGPT. You can click a coin to get analysis. For example, I'll click Bitcoin here. It's going to give you all the prices of the major coins and market information. You can see Bitcoin dominance, but it's also going to give you a signal, a bias, and key levels, whether you should go long or short on any particular time frame. As you can see here on the 1 hour, it's suggesting a long with a stop loss at 90k, a take profit at 94,780. This is using AI and live market data. But even more than that, I could say, is it a good time to buy the dip on Bitcoin, just for an example? So it's going to give some analysis around the current price, support levels, resistance. It's going to give a professional judgment and personalized advice. So very cool. Use it to trade with you every day. If you're on Telegram anyway, you should definitely check it out. Link down below. So in conclusion, I do believe Bitcoin right now is heading to around that $91,000 level. I've positioned myself long. I do believe we will see a reversal at least up to around the 110, 111,000, which is the 200-day ME. I mean, you only need to run a very simple but very, very useful Fibonacci level from the April low to the high, and you can see that Bitcoin right now is in the golden pocket. So from that point there, I am expecting a bottom anywhere between, it could be as low as 88, 89, but I think more likely around 90 to 91,000, and then I'm expecting a reversal in the markets very soon. I mean, on the macro scene, it really is really bullish, and I can't believe people are bearish right now, because the US are preparing $2,000 stimulus checks. Last time that happened was in COVID. Things went crazy. Japan, people don't know this, but in Japan, on the other side of the world, they're rolling out massive stimulus, $110 billion stimulus package this week. China approving a massive $1.5 trillion stimulus. The Fed officially ending QT in 2 weeks' time. And there's been rate cuts globally. So I'm positioning myself accordingly. I'm not really a big believer in this 4-year cycle thing anymore, because this is an institutional-led market. I'm more focused on the business cycle, rates, inflation, liquidity. But let me know what side of the fence you're on. Are you still in the camp of 4-year cycle and this is the bear market? Or do you think that we will see a positive end to the year and positive going into the start of 2026? Let me know in the comments. Hit the like, guys. If you want to take advantage of the dip, you can with a trading bonus down below with the video description. Don't forget to check out the link for CoinGPT as well, your AI assistant on Telegram. Thanks for joining me. See you on the next one. Bye-bye.